Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are going to see how can we animate our system architecture diagrams with the help of Figma and their plugins. But before starting, did you watch my previous video in which I talked about how can we create software architecture and system diagrams with the help of Mermaid chart? If you are new here, I'm Hassan and I post tutorials on this channel. If you might be interested in watching those videos, consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment down on this video. Let's start today's video without any further delay. So first of all, you have to open Figma and make sure that you have created a new design by just going to File and then click on New Design. And search for any example for system architecture diagram or any diagram that you are wanting to animate. So I just selected a system architecture diagram, which is very much simple right here. We are going to copy this diagram with the same icons most probably, and then animate this diagram. So let's start by drawing PCs, then servers and control server, math servers, and then administration console. Let's see how can we animate the diagram with the help of Figma. So you can see that here we have a frame. So I'm going to just create a frame first of all. So you can just create a frame and adjust the length according to your needs and according to your diagram. So our diagram is little bit big in height, so I'm just going to make it lengthy. Now what you need to do is to click on the resources and you will see that you have components, plugins and widgets. So what you need to do is to click on plugins and here you have to search flat icon. So here is flat icon by free pick. So just click on it and you will see a bunch of icons there which you can use for animation, although they are not for animation, but we will just put the animation in there. So you can see that it may ask you to log in or sign up, and it has also an option to skip the signing or sign up process, so you can do that. So I just skipped that process, and they have the premium version obviously because FreePick has premium version in their website, so they provided the premium version right here too. Now just search for PC or computer, anything that suits you. I'm going to just create a PC and it will just pop up right here. You may want to adjust the size of the PC, so I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. And according to the diagram, there are 4 PCs, so I'm going to just make them 2 right here, and the other 2 should be right here. After that, we have a internet, so we can just search for that too. So we have some related diagrams related to internet, so just I'm going to copy this one and paste it right here. And this is our internet. Now we have our firewall line, so we will just create it, but before that we will just create these servers. So we have web server and we have to search web server right here, and it will pop up some web servers related icons. So I'm going to just use this one, and you choose any icon that you want to use which is related to your diagram. So I'm going to just use this one for web server, and we can also put the text right here. So let's just put the text. So this is internet and this is web server. So I'm going to just put the text right here, web server, like this. And here you can see that it is POS1 and web access users. So let's just do this too. So we have web access users, and I'm going to just put them here. After that, we have POS users. So let's just put this too. Let's see what's next. So we have control server. Let's search for control server here. So we can find the icon related to control server. So here are a bunch of related icons of control server. Let's use this one and put this right here. I'm going to increase the height of the frame too. Let's just select the frame and make it longer. So here is our control server. Let's put the text for this too. So we have control server right here. Now we have match servers and then administration consoles. Let's look for match server. Maybe we can find that. I don't think so. We have match servers. So let's just search for servers Then we have these right here. Let's just use this one. So there are two servers. So I'm just going to use two servers. And then we have admin console. So let's just use this one for admin console. I'm going to just put it right here. Let's put the text for them. So this is control servers. Sorry, these are match servers. So they are match servers. And this is admin console. Let's put the text right here. So this is admin console like this. And if you remembered, we have also a firewall line right here. So let's just put a firewall line right here. Then just go to shapes and select the line and draw a line right here and put the text obviously. So this is our firewall. Now here's the main part that we need to connect these diagram. Like in this diagram, so these they have arrows and which is going from PC to internet, then internet to web server. So we have to do this. Now we can just close the that icon plugin, and now what you need to do is to just click on the pen tool. So you can just click on this, and after that select the pen version, and after that you just need to connect these like this. So you have to do this for every icon right here. So let's just go for this one, click on this and then connect this one, and after that let's just connect these. So we have like this. So I'm just going to connect it like this. So that means it is connecting to both. So after that, the match servers are connecting to administration console, and then administration console is also connecting to the match servers like this. So we have to first connect this right here, and then after that we have to connect the administration console to control server. So let's just connect the control server too. So you can just click on this and then connect it to the control server. Obviously, we need to connect these PCs too. So I'm going to just use the simple lines for connecting the PCs to the internet. So let's just use simple arrows. You can copy the same arrow and use it right here, and also connect these web access PCs to the internet, and then again copy the arrow and connect it to the internet. Now our diagram is pretty much better and it is looking like this one. So now what we need to do is to animate this diagram. Now here is the main part. What you need to do is to just search for the plugin which is called Motion AI. So you need to click on resources and search for Motion, and you will see that Motion UI is right here. So click on this and you will see that it will be loading, and you will see a small dashboard of this plugin, and here will be the frames that will be added after selecting the components right here. Now make sure that you have untitled or a project created right in Motion, which is by default created. So if it is not created, then just click on the plus icon and it will be created. So it just created it by default. So we don't need to create it another one. Now what you need to do is to show an animation that data is flowing in this direction. So for data flowing, I'm just going to use ellipse. So whatever you want to call that, I'm going to make it as looks like a circle, and obviously you can customize this one. After that we have color, so I'm just going to fill it with red color like this, and you need to put this right here. Now what you need to do is to just click on this circle and it will be added right here. After that, now what you need to do is to select an animation right from here. So you have to select this one, which is showing that add path. So click on the add path, and after it will show this set path source. So don't click on OK before selecting any vector. So what you need to do is to just click on this vector. So you can see that it is selecting this one. So I'm going to click on it and it is now selected. Now you can just click on OK so that it will be added to the Motion UI. Here it is. Now it has been added to the frames, and you can also adjust the seconds or duration. So I'm going to make it 1 second and it will start from 0 seconds. Now let's see how it works. You can just click on this play button So you can see that it is now animating the data. It is showing that the data is flowing in this direction. So after you have played it one time, and make sure that it has come to this destination from the source. So this was the source and this is the destination. So it is now came to the destination. Now we need to do another circle like this. Make sure that it has come to the destination. Let's make another circle, and you can differentiate it with different colors. So I'm just going to use this one and make sure to put it right here. After that, what you need to do is to do the same and make sure that ellipse 2 is selected, because this was ellipse 1 and this is now ellipse 2. After that, you need to do the same thing. You need to add a path and then select the vector 2. So just click on it. It has been selected now, and click on OK. You can see that it is now selected. And obviously you can set the duration of this too. So here it is. Let me just play it from the start. So data came here and then it is going right from here. Let me zoom out and play this again. You can see that the data is flowing like this and it is animating the diagram. Here is your diagram. So if you want to animate this again, so you need to just click on this and go back right here. And you will see that data will be floating like this. So this was all about today's video. If you like this video, click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon so you will be notified when I publish the next video. Thank you guys for watching.